If you want to make your designs cleaner, easier to move, and much simpler to edit in Tinkercad, then learning how to group objects is one of the most useful skills you can pick up. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to group objects in Tinkercad step by step, and I'll also show you how to ungroup them if you ever need to make changes later. This is a super helpful trick for beginners, whether you're building simple shapes or more detailed 3D models. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your Tinkercad project and make sure the objects you want to combine are visible on the workspace. To group objects, you need to select the shapes first. You can do this in two easy ways. The first way is to click and drag your mouse to draw a selection box around the objects you want. As you drag, Tinkercad will highlight everything inside that box. The second way is to hold Shift on your keyboard and click each object one by one. This is useful if the shapes are spread out or if you only want to select specific pieces. Once your objects are selected, take a look at the top toolbar. You'll see the group icon there, and it looks like a circle and a square overlapping each other. That is the button you need. Click that icon, and Tinkercad will instantly combine the selected shapes into one grouped object. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can also press Ctrl and G on Windows or Command and G on Mac, and it will do the same thing. After grouping, you'll notice something important. The shapes will usually change to a single color, which tells you they are now acting as one unit. If you have multicolor turned on in the inspector window, then the grouped object may keep its different colors instead. Either way, the main thing to remember is that the grouped shapes will now move together, scale together, and rotate together as a single model. That makes it much easier to work with complex designs. This is especially useful if you're making things like boxes, signs, mechanical parts, or any design with multiple pieces that need to stay aligned. Instead of accidentally moving one shape out of place, grouping lets you edit the entire object safely and quickly. It saves time and helps keep your project organized. Now, if you ever need to make changes to one of the shapes inside the group, Tinkercad also makes that easy. Simply click the grouped object to select it, then go back to the toolbar and choose the Ungroup icon. This icon looks like a circle and a square breaking apart. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl and Shift and G on Windows, or Command and Shift and G on Mac. Once you ungroup the object, the shapes become separate again, and you can move or edit them individually. So to quickly recap, select the objects, click the Group button or use the shortcut, and then check that they move as one piece. If you need to separate them again later, just use Ungroup. That's really all there is to it, but it's one of those basic Tinkercad skills that makes a huge difference in how smoothly your projects come together. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple Tinkercad tips, beginner 3D design guides, and step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.